Assalamu alaikum. I am Salman Khan from the world of IT. In this lecture training, you will learn about how to set up www domain redirect. There's plenty of debate over the www versus non-www domains, and while both sides have merits, we will go over how to set up another domain, in this case the www, and redirect it to our original. The reason we do a redirect is to tell the search engines that we only want one version of our domain to appear in the search results. To create a www version of our domain and have it redirect, we are going to create a new S3 bucket and new CloudFront distribution. This new S3 bucket will simply respond with a redirect to our main domain using the redirection feature that S3 buckets have. So let's start by creating a new S3 redirect bucket. For this, create S3 redirect bucket. Create a new S3 bucket through the AWS console. The name does not really matter, but it packs something that helps us distinguish between the two. Again, remember that we need a separate S3 bucket for this step, and we cannot use the original one we had previously created. Next, just follow through the steps and the defaults intact. Click on create bucket. Now go into the properties of the new bucket and click on the static website hosting. We are going to select redirect requests option and fill in the domain we are going to be redirecting towards. Also make sure to copy the endpoint, as we'll be needing this later, and hit save to make the changes. Next, we will create a CloudFront distribution to find the S3 redirect bucket. Create a new CloudFront distribution and copy the S3 endpoint from the step as the origin domain name. Make sure to not use the one from the drop down. Scroll down to the alternate domain name CNAME and use the www version of our domain name here and hit create distribution. Finally, we will find our www domain to this CloudFront distribution. Point www domain to CloudFront distribution. Head over to your domain and route 3 and hit create record set. This time fill in www as the name and select as yes, and pick your new CloudFront distribution from the target drop down and click on create. Add IPv6. Just as before, we need to a record to support IPv6. Create a new record set with the exact same settings as before, except make sure to pick a IPv6 address as the type. And that's it. Just give it some time for the DNS to propagate, and if you visit your www version of your domain, it should redirect you to your non-www version. Please feel free to give your comment if you face any difficulty here.